Hello and welcome to Fontana's Open for Business. I'm your host, Mayor Aquanetta Warren. In this show, we will be visiting Fontana businesses to showcase their products and services. Here we are today with Jeff Trigham, Director of Global Sales Specialty Aluminum Products of Vista Metal Corp., located off of Whitram Avenue. Thank you so much, Jeff, for joining me today. Can you tell us a little bit about the history about Vista Metals Corp. and what does the company actually do?
Well, Mayor Warren, I appreciate you having me here today. We're excited about this opportunity. Vista has been in business about 45 years. We've been in Fontana most of that time frame. We settled out here originally because of the heart of the aerospace industry was here. There was a lot of customers and availability of materials for us to use, so it just worked real well for us. Today we primarily focus in the aerospace industry in casting aerospace grade aluminum products. We have a host of different sizes and alloys that are used in making airplanes, helicopters, all sorts. If it goes in the sky, we make it. Let's put it that way.
Can you believe this? Right here in our city, and a lot of people don't know that. But what's interesting to me, you consider yourself a small business. Could you tell us how many employees you have and a little bit about them?
Sure. Today we have 206 employees here in Fontana. We have actually 25% of them live in the city and the other 75 in the surrounding areas. We pride ourselves in the fact that we have very good longevity in our workforce. We have a lot of employees with 30+ years with us, and they come and they stay. It's a real hard-working group of people, very proud of what they do, and we're just real excited to be in Fontana doing it.
What I was wanting to know is what type of products and services do you provide?
We cast aluminum ingots or aluminum billet. So we take raw aluminum and process it, melt it, and turn it into round or rectangular shapes. Those then ultimately get moved down to our customers who are extruders or forgers, who then make parts, again, for airplanes, helicopters, some automotive applications, a little bit of semiconductor.
Right here in Fontana, you talked about the benefit programs for your employee. Anything particular that you want to mention about one of those health programs?
Well, one thing that we've launched recently is we have a community garden. We're always trying to foster the health awareness of our employees. So we've have some garden plots that the employees can plant in and, grow their own fruits and vegetables.
Jeff, what new factors are most likely to affect your industry and the company in the near future and the next 5 to 10 years?
Well, Mayor, we have been very fortunate in our industry in that the commercial aircraft business is very, very strong. Companies like Boeing and Airbus have years and years of backlogs of orders. And as long as that continues, we will be in great shape. And we're just thrilled to be able to be in that position. It's taken a lot of work, but we're there.
Oh, that's great. What is something interesting about the company that isn't a widely known item? I'm good about trying to pull out something nobody else knows.
All right. Well, we're real excited. Last year, everybody saw the news about the Mars Curiosity, the rover that landed. Well, we have several parts on that vehicle. Particularly the wheels were made of Vista Metals material.
Right here in Fontana?
Yes, ma'am.
We understand that you collaborate with local area businesses here in the Inland Empire. Why do you feel that's so important?
Well, it's not only important for us, and obviously the people that we're working with, but we think it just rounds out the community effort that we're doing. We have lots of machine shops, trucking companies, a whole host of suppliers that we rely on and must have in order to make our product successfully and to ship it on time and do everything that we do.
And that is one thing in this show we've tried to educate our public about, is that it's not just the company we're interviewing. You're walking in here with not only years and years of experience, but you're also assisting other companies' efforts, and that makes a big difference. In such a tough economy, companies might be struggling or thriving depending on what services or product they're offering. How has your business actually improved or is continuing to grow? What are you doing that people continue to come back to you?
Well, our mantra at Vista, if you will, is excellence always. Everything we do revolves around that phrase of excellence always, whether it's the making of the product or the preparation of the inspection, everything. Being in the aerospace industry, there's a zero defect out there. I mean, we can't make mistakes. So, we think we differentiate ourselves by living that and breathing that excellence always.
It's my understanding that Vista Metals fosters good, healthy habits with their employees. Can you please tell us a little bit about your company's motivation and how they motivate their employees and their ability to stay healthy?
Well, we firmly believe that if our employees are healthy, obviously they're going to be able to do a better job. We spend a lot of time and effort putting programs together. We're involved with Healthy Fontana.
Yes.
We have people coming out and putting on nutrition classes. We recently had a Biggest Loser contest at the company. We're doing a program right now. It's called Step into Spring, where people are wearing pedometers and counting the number of steps each day that they take.
Wow.
Just kind of an effort to raise the awareness of being healthy, staying active.
How does Vista Metals give back to the community? I remember that's how I first met your company.
Mm-hmm.
And can you tell us some of the programs that you're actively involved in?
Well, Mayor, here in the community, we're actively involved in the FLIP program, as well as a program called Shoes That Fit with school children who are unable to actually have shoes to wear to school. And our employees have embraced that like you wouldn't believe, just going out and buying all kinds of, I see them all the time, little shoes around the place that are getting donated.
That is remarkable. Due to your efforts, tomorrow we're going to be actually going to the FLIP program awards program they're having. So thank you so much for
You're
that
welcome.
encouragement. Tell us more about your second to none customer service and why that's so important in a business like yours.
We pride ourselves in that slogan of second to none customer service. We think we exceed our competition in that area by leaps and bounds. In everything we do, whether it's a response to a quotation request from a customer or shipping on time, providing information that they need to do their business more successfully.
Is there anything else that you'd like to mention today about your business or share with us today, Jeff?
Well, Mayor Warren, at Vista Metals, it's about excellence always. We provide our customers a product that exceeds our industry standards. We provide that second-to-none customer service that I talked about with a can-do attitude that makes our customers more successful. And when you put all of that together, that's what makes Vista Metals the world's largest independent producer of specialty aluminum products.
And when you put that all together with this show, that's what makes Fontana open for business serious. Right here in Fontana. I'm so proud of Vista Metals Corp. You have had an opportunity to listen today to Jeff from Vista Metals Corp. And what he is telling you is Fontana is open for business.